So the topic is osmolarity, and tonicity. Osmolarity, it is expressed as osmoles per liter, and osmolality, it is osmoles per kg of solvent. That is to be remembered. Osmolality, it is of solvent, and osmoles, it is per liter of solution. Now we will see plasma osmolality. It is 270 milliosmoles. 270, and we will see contributions. Majority of contribution for plasma osmolality is by sodium. It is about the plasma osmolality is total is 290 milliosmol, and the sodium concentration contribution to it is 270 milliosmol. Let me write it in different. So total plasma osmolality is 290 milliosmoles, and the sodium concentration is 270. Then urea gives 5 milliosmoles. Then we have glucose, which gives the same amount, 5 milliosmoles, and plasma proteins, which will give less than 2 milliosmoles. So I will repeat it: 290 plasma osmolality total, sodium 270, urea is 5, glucose is 5, and plasma proteins are less than 2. Now we have a formula for plasma osmolality which we have to learn, and there is no mnemonic. Plasma osmolality is equal to sodium concentration into 2 plus glucose divided by 18, then plus blood urea nitrogen divided by 2.8, and the sodium concentration is in milliequivalents per liter, and glucose and blood urea nitrogen are in milligram per dl. Let us repeat the formula. Plasma osmolality is sodium concentration into 2 plus glucose upon 18 and blood urea nitrogen upon 2.8. So now we will see tonicity. Tonicity is osmolality of a solution with respect to plasma osmolality. With respect to plasma osmolality, the osmolality of solution with respect to plasma osmolality, and the 0.9% of NaCl solution is isotonic to our plasma, and 5% of glucose is isotonic to plasma, but initially, and later on it becomes hypotonic. It is due to peripheral uptake of glucose. So that's it: osmolarity, and tonicity. Do remember the formula of plasma osmolality. Thank you for watching this video. Share, comment, subscribe, and tell your friends about Backbenchers Revolution. Thank you.